In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up audio in Soundtrap. By the end, you'll know exactly how to increase the tempo of a project so your song, podcast, or beat feels tighter and more energetic. We'll walk through getting into the studio, choosing what you want to hear while you work, and applying a faster BPM the right way. First, open your browser and go to Soundtrap's website for music makers. Once you're there, click Log In. For this walkthrough, I'll use the Login with Google option. Choose your Google account and complete the sign-in. Keep your login details private and make sure you're logging in on the official Soundtrap page. After you're in, head to your projects. Find the project you want to speed up and open it in the studio. Give the session a moment to load all tracks. You'll see your timeline, tracks, and transport controls. Click the track or beat you want to focus on. Tempo changes in Soundtrap are project-wide, not per track, but selecting the part you're working on makes it easier to hear the difference as you adjust. You can solo the track if you want to concentrate on it, or leave everything playing to hear how the whole arrangement responds. Next, locate the tempo control in the studio interface. Click Tempo to open the tempo settings. Here you'll see the current BPM, which stands for beats per minute. Higher BPM equals a faster project, lower BPM slows it down. Increase the BPM using the arrows, or type in a number if you already know the target tempo. A good approach is to bump it up in small steps, say 3 to 5 BPM, then play a section to preview how it feels. Listen for timing and pitch. Soundtrap will time stretch most material to keep it in sync, but extreme jumps can sound unnatural, especially with complex recorded audio. If you're working with loops from Soundtrap's library, they typically adapt very smoothly. When you're happy with the new BPM, click Apply. This confirms the tempo change for the project. If you're prompted or see an option to adjust, click Adjust so Soundtrap can realign regions to the new tempo. This helps tighten up clips and avoid drift across the timeline after the speed change. Play your project from a few different spots to make sure transitions and edits still land cleanly. If anything feels rushed after the change, consider trying a slightly lower BPM or trimming silence between parts to maintain groove without overspeeding. And that's it. You've sped up your audio in Soundtrap by logging in, opening your project, selecting what you want to hear, adjusting the tempo, applying the new BPM, and confirming with Adjust. Experiment with small increases and trust your ears to find the sweet spot.